Our next guest on Talk of the Town is Pam Toney. She is the Executive Director of the Bluffton Jasper VIM, and VIM stands for Volunteers in Medicine. Welcome.
Thank you. It's always nice to be here and talk about all the wonderful things that my volunteers do.
I know. Let's do a quick recap. You just had a big fundraiser on May 13th, and did you do well?
We did. We did very well. It was amazing. We had 264 people, the largest event we have ever had. We raised over $18,000 in our live auction, and then the Magro family matched that by $15,000, and so we raised all that for our dental program. It was wonderful.
So you brought up dental. So dental and podiatry are two specialties that you all offer that we want our viewers to know a little bit more about. So let's start with dental. So talk about kind of where you are and where you want to be.
Sure. So we started our dental program in 2020 with a grant, a very large donation from Bill and Cheryl Magro, local community members actually from Sun City, and they realized that we were doing a good job with our patients but needed a dental program, and so they started us off, and we've been doing very well with it. We have 2 dentists now and 3 hygienists, always looking for more dentists, though, whether they want to come once a month or once a week. We're interested in having more dentists, and so we typically were referring about 25 patients a month for dental care, and we're seeing at least 25 patients now, hoping to get up to 50 by the end of the year.
And in the dental program, I know you would probably pull teeth, but do the dentists do fillings and all of that? What exactly do they do?
We obviously do a good health exam. We'll do cleanings, fillings, extractions, and then this new money that we're getting is we're hoping to be able to put it towards dentures. And so that's our next step.
A lot of need in the dental area, would you say?
A lot of need.
Pam?
A lot of need. And what we're finding too is that, that dentistry is so important to your overall health.
Yes.
Because if you can't chew properly, you can't eat the correct foods. And then another thing, people were looking to get jobs. If their teeth aren't clean and if they're missing teeth, then that's a little bit of a hindrance for getting a job. So there are lots of ways that dental plays.
Well, let's talk about the podiatry program, another specialty that you all offer in Bluffton. So what is that all about?
Well, we're excited about that. We had a new doctor that's come on board, Dr. Larry Hufford, and he's a wonderfully caring doctor, as all of our doctors are, and he started to do podiatry care once a month. Now we're into twice a month, and hoping to start then in our Ridgeland clinic as well. So he works with diabetic patients and then with all of our patients for foot and wound care.
Yeah, you said, so wound care would be if an accident or?
That's correct, or if they had some type of an injury, you're right, or issues with diabetes. So, and what we were looking for is also as part of our program is to raise funds. He needs a podiatry chair, a special chair. So Bluffton Rotary and Long Cove Foundation, we have written grants to them, and we're hopeful that we're going to be able to get this podiatry chair for him.
And you've been in the nonprofit world a long time, right, Pam?
I have, probably about 20 years, but I've been with Bluffton Jasper Volunteers in Medicine for 8 years, and so we've done a lot of growing. We've had a lot of new volunteers and a lot of doctors, and those are the ones that keep the unit going. That's exactly right.
So if someone wants to be a volunteer, whether they're a clinician, a physician, nurse, whatever, or lay person, how do they find you?
Well, you can go online, BJVIM.org. We also do volunteer orientation on the 3rd Thursday of each month, and that's from 3 to 4. And if that's not convenient, then I'll do one anytime. But we'd love to have volunteers. We really are in need of them. That's exactly right. And the more specialties we have in the clinic, the less time we have to refer out to our patients.
And you're located in Bluffton at 29 Plantation Park Road.
That's correct, building 600, and then we also have a clinic in Ridgeland, 11332 North Jacob Smarts Boulevard, and we're open 3 days a week there.
Thank you so much, Pam
Thank
Toney
you.
With I was going to say Beaufort, the Bluffton Jasper VIM Volunteers in Medicine. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you for having me.